Here's how to set up the Flareo client for Minecraft Bedrock in less than a minute. First, visit the official Flareo website at flareo.xyz and download the Windows version of the launcher. Always make sure you're downloading it from the official website for the latest and safest version. Once the download is complete, open the Flareo launcher and click Launch. The launcher will automatically start Minecraft Bedrock with the Flareo client already loaded. After the game opens, join any server and press K to open the Flareo menu. From there, you can browse available modules, enable the ones you want, and adjust their settings to match your playstyle. If you're just getting started, a great setup is to enable keystrokes, CPS, FPS counter, armor HUD, coordinates, and zoom. To move or resize any HUD element, simply press L or click the pen icon and arrange everything however you like. That's it. Your Flareo client is now fully set up, and you're ready to jump into Minecraft Bedrock with an improved gameplay experience.